Welcome back, guys. Currently, I'm on the Colorado race truck. I've got the driver's side wheel tub done. Today what I'm doing is now I'm getting the passenger side wheel tub done. I've already got it all in place, got everything marked up so I can do my bead rolling and welding, and hopefully we'll start having some floor in this truck for you guys to see. All right. Yeehaw. I got a template on a piece of sheet metal, and I am doing my floors in the Colorado race truck. Let me show you what we got going on so far. So far what we got done is we got both sides in, both wheel tubs are done. I've got this piece of metal already cut and laid in there. I'm getting ready to cut the other one, and then we're gonna get it bead rolled, bent up, and get her all welded in. We have the turbos up front, and the intercooler is so big there's no room for the radiator up there, so that's why I put it in the back. Or the other option is put the intercooler and the turbos back here. Tap in place, and then we will pull the radiator out so we can weld them all in place. I can pull it out, weld it up. What's been done so far? So Friday, I was able to get my passenger side wheel tub all finished up. I also got all my rear floor pans all made up, bead rolled, bent. They're all in place. Now I just got to come through, drill them, so I can weld them in place. So I'm back here fitting the radiator fans. So I went ahead and made my lower radiator brackets, got those tacked in place, and now I can continue building the rest of the floor, the upper radiator brackets. So stay tuned for more updates. Like, comment, and subscribe.